Up YouTube, it's your boy MB in the place to be. Back with the upgrade to that rear deck for that Buick. As you can see, I added another ring to it, so it's taller now. I had put a bigger speaker in there and it wouldn't fit, so I upgraded. Let me show you real quick. Just put a new ring on it. That's all I did. Added a new ring, fiberglass that in there. So on the next one, I'm gonna show you guys how it sound. I gotta find some more wires for all four of them to play, but I'm gonna hook up two of them just to show you how clear they sound. All right, catch y'all on the next one. Peace and love. To that. Let's zoom, y'all. That sounds good, man. These two not on. I don't have enough wire to run over there. I just got enough wire to run these two. Yeah, clear sound though. It's inside that box. It's inside that box. Make it sound like that, man. Hear that sound? It's the upgrade. Like we got some rain today. Y'all see that dump? Oh yeah, y'all. I'm about to show y'all a quick look, just a quick peek. Oh yeah, it's coming together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sound good, man. Listen to that, listen to that. On the house radio. I'll catch y'all next one when I put that new coat of paint on there. Peace and love. Speakers go good with that, man. You gotta let speakers go. The grill's on there.